Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Kibana monitoring for server logs. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Kibana dashboard by entering the appropriate URL. Log in using your credentials if prompted. Once logged in, locate the sidebar on the left. Click on Stack Management within the sidebar. Find and select the monitoring option in the Stack Management section. If monitoring is not yet enabled, follow any prompts to activate it. Select the Logs tab to view log options. To configure server log monitoring, click on Configure Logs or a similar option. In the configuration settings, specify the log sources you want to monitor. Make sure to adjust any filtering options to match your logging needs. Once the sources are set, confirm the settings by clicking Save or Apply. After saving, return to the main monitoring dashboard. You should now see a summary of the monitored logs. To verify that logs are being captured, navigate to the relevant log viewer section. Examine the logs to ensure data is appearing as expected. If you encounter any issues, revisit the settings and check for any misconfigurations. Congratulations, you've successfully enabled Kibana monitoring for your server logs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.